In this video, I want to show you a quick lip enhancement process that I use all the time, especially for like beauty and boudoir and that kind of stuff. It's all non-destructive, all adjustable, giving the lips a little bit of attention and sculpting like we do with cheekbones or eyes and without screaming Photoshop. So I got my image prepped here. You can see I've done all my retouching already. This is one of the last steps you do before you color grading. So what we're going to do is we're going to go jump down to the background layer. We're going to grab this color and just sample on the lips to just get us a base idea of where we want to be. And then we just drag that over a little bit. We go back up to the top, right above my effects. Use a solid color layer. Hit OK. Now, this is the tricky part. We need inverted mask. To do this, it is Control-I on PC or Command on Mac. Then you grab a soft brush, whatever size you need. Zoom in till you see those lips. And we just start to paint this in using a white brush. Now, this looks like This is just to help us visually paint where we want to paint. You see it kind of got a little bit too aggressive out here. We just take a black brush and we dial it back. Next step, we change the blend mode on this layer to color. This is important. Now you see that, okay, maybe we went a little bit too overboard here some places. We switch to a black brush and we just paint that good. Now we got the first step done. Second step is a curves layer brightening everything. And again, take the mask from here and we hold Alt on PC and just replace that mask. You can see I missed a spot here. So we're just going to grab a white brush that I'm hitting X to switch between the background and foreground color here. And we just paint that in. Voila. Now we double click on this layer to get blend if. And right here on underlying layer, we want to hold Alt and click in the middle of this. That will separate it. What we do next is we take that separated piece and we drag it all the way out of the shadows until it's just affecting the highlights. So let's hit OK on that. Now we repeat the process, but reverse it. We want a black darkening layer. And we can just grab this mask, hold Alt again, and bring it back up. Double click it. And instead of clicking on this end, we click on the other end because we want to remove this from the highlights. See how it's really showing up there? It's good enough for me. Final step, we group these. And just for sake of knowing what you're doing, we call it something and we drag down the opacity until it looks good. So I think 35 looks good. Let me just turn that on and off. You see, it's not much. It's very subtle, but it just adds a little bit of shine and pop to the lips and just adds that little bit of extra. And then you add in your color grading, save, export, and you're done. Thanks for watching.